So welcome back to the channel. As promised last time, we are back again to explore the rest of the examples of macro photography, the subjects, what to shoot and how to shoot. And yes, if you haven't seen that video first, go watch that video and then come back. Then you'll have a better context what this video is about. That's it. So without wasting any more time, let's continue on the journey. So let's have a look. Now another very good example of macro subject would be a leaf like this. Leaves are really nice to shoot with, especially if they have color. And just like these are new leaves. They have so beautiful color on them that you can't just leave it so. I mean, you have to make a photo. A bit of water droplets would have worked wonders with this photo, I must say. And talking about leaves, there are hundreds and thousands of types of leaves you can find in the wild, in the jungle, or anywhere. Doesn't matter. The point is, there are so many different types of leaves, and you have so much variety to shoot from when you talk about leaves. Oh, I've just found something. Wow, this is really good. I need to be I need to see what it is. I think it's mushrooms, but I'll show you one more. It looks like it's mushrooms. Yep, they are mushrooms. They can also make a very good subject for a macro photograph. So let's see if we can get something out of this. This was a chance find, huh? You see how important it is to keep looking? Let's see what we can get from there. Cool. I'll show you. So I don't know if you can see it. Look at this. This is a macro of these mushrooms. And I've got a bonus. There is a bug just there. Oh, wow. Look at this bug. Isn't it interesting? It's beautiful. I find it fantastic. So, at last, let's go home, because I'm sure there are a few things at home as well which I can show you. We are not finished yet. There's definitely more to show. Keep looking. And when you are surrounded by such beautiful flowers everywhere, look around me. Everywhere are flowers. And this is the beautiful season where there are flowers everywhere. How can you resist? You have to make a photo. See, just down there, I just saw an opportunity of another photo. I'll show you. See, just here. See this texture? This is another opportunity of a very good macro. So I'm gonna make one. Simply beautiful. And as I said, you got to observe and look closely. So basically, for macro, you have to look somewhere where you would not normally look for a photo opportunity. Go down near the ground, look at the leaves, look at the roots of the trees. Flowers are anyways beautiful. They are everywhere right now, at least. And yeah, the texture, for example, where this camera is standing on a cut tree. I just remembered, let's go to the house and I'll show you one more thing. And now what I want to show here, come here, I'll show you. See what I want to show here. This all wooden pieces. I mean, this is kind of junk, needs to be burnt in the grill. But as you can see, there are pine cones here. If you're observant, you'll probably find a good use of it as a macro photograph. Let's try one. Let's put one or two on this table here and we'll shoot some. I'll just position them as you want. This is just for illustrations. I'm not going to muck about here and there. Let's see. Simply beautiful. That's how easy and straightforward it is to find macro subjects to shoot. Look around, go close, go to the floor, check the ground, grass, whatever, tree trunks, moss, mushrooms, stones. That reminds me, here I've got something else. For example, we've got this lovely pillar here with stones. Look at this here. I'm gonna try make a photo of this and let's see how that comes out. This one is even more interesting because here is brown on the bottom and there are lines going on, so this will give even more interesting photograph. Brilliant. And so you see how easy it is to find subjects for macro shooting. So that's it. Now we know the possibility of macro is all around us. You just have to look. And just like the last time, I'm going to put the photos now and close this video here. And the same rant. If you've liked this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends. And if this is your first time on the channel, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost a penny. So I hope you enjoyed it. Enjoy the photos now. Bye bye.